Introducing a revolution in flight. 2 years ago, Zero Robotics introduced the Hover Camera Passport, the first flying camera of its kind. It won numerous design awards, led to a worldwide partnership with Apple Retail, and touched the lives of thousands. Now, after 2 years of research and development, from the lab to the sky, we're proud to present the next generation, Hover 2, the drone that flies itself. Hover 2 is the most intelligent, most complete flying camera the world has ever seen. With 4K video, 12 megapixel photos, and a smooth, super compact gimbal, Hover 2 lets you capture the natural world and your place in it in dazzling detail. Taking a photo with a drone has never been easier. Use autoframe to select a shot, press a button, and Hover 2 will safely fly into position. This is possible due to a proprietary obstacle avoidance system. The optical radar is a swiveling stereo sensor that pops up with a small tap, delivering 360-degree spatial awareness. Hover 2's new suite of AI algorithms, paired with the Snapdragon processor, is 4 times more powerful than its predecessor. 3D mapping and advanced visual positioning allow Hover 2 to plan its flight path and bypass obstacles in real time. Use OmniFollow to track your movements from the front, side, and back, with more stability and higher tracking precision, both made possible by the new AI. Track shots are flight presets inspired by classic filming techniques that help you capture epic clips of you and your friends. Cinematic themes on the Hover app include filters, music, and more to transform footage you just captured into shareable clips with professional appeal. To unlock the full power of aerial flight, enable blast-off mode. Uncaged and paired with the blast-off remote and accessories, Hover 2 responds with up to 23 minutes of flight time and a 5-kilometer range. Aerodynamics, agility, and finesse are also increased. Hover 2 is the easiest and most intuitive flying camera yet. The technology of the future, available today.
The GroupHug Window Solar Charger is a designer solar panel made for people who want to be sustainable but don't know where to start. Here's how it works. You hang it in a sunny window, and the sunlight charges up the battery built into the frame. Then, plug your phone directly into the charger's USB port. When the solar panel is fully charged, your phone will charge at the same rate as if it was plugged into the wall. I started GroupHug because I was really frustrated by how hard it was to adopt solar energy in your everyday life. When I started researching solar panels, I realized that the fundamental design of a solar panel hasn't actually changed in over 60 years. It's basically a rectangle slapped on a roof, a pole, a backpack, you name it. There are definitely personal solar devices on the market, but they're designed for people who like camping, fishing, hiking, boating, and I hate all of those things. I studied industrial design at Georgia Tech, and I really love making and building things with my hands. For over 6 years, I led the product design team at Littlebits, a consumer electronics company in New York. I learned everything there is to know about product development. Using renewable energy doesn't have to be hard. This is just the beginning for GroupHug. By supporting us, we can create a lifestyle where it's effortless to take your devices off the grid without sacrificing design.
When your phone is so versatile and yet so portable at the same time, it's no surprise that more than 85% of us now shoot photos with it. We are ShiftCam. We are here to make your smartphone mighty powerful. And this is the world's first 12mm spherical ultra-wide-angle lens for your smartphone. For the past few years, ShiftCam has been working tirelessly on a series of performance-enhancing detachable lenses for your mobile phone. Using a technique that melts glass into shape, we are able to concentrate every single light particle to bring DSLR lens quality into mobile. We have achieved an impressively small 12mm ultra-wide-angle lens with outstanding clarity and zero distortion. It's the first of its kind, combining the world of highly portable and fully capable. The era of photography begins. So, here is what you need to know. This 122-degree ultra-wide-angle lens enables you to capture unprecedentedly more, 300% more, in fact, for that phenomenal impact, both outdoors and indoors. The pioneering zero-distortion aspherical lens means no more warping of lines, so that your pictures taken are as real as your naked eye can see. This is where mobile photography really comes into its own. With the right app, you can easily auto-calibrate the perspective of your ultra-wide shot, pushing the ordinary to extraordinary. Never before has this been achieved on just your mobile phone. The unique optical design, coupled with nano-coated lens, minimizes unwanted flares, optimizes chromatic aberration, together contribute edge-to-edge clarity. For those of us on the hunt for the unexpected stories, the 12mm focal length means you can see more than first meets the eye. This is just the latest addition to ShiftCam's innovative collection of 14 lenses. One mounting system for all your photography needs. Just shift, point, and shoot. Highly portable and fully capable. ShiftCam's patented secure mounting enables 100% accuracy for zero effort. Thousands of hours of design and development has led the ShiftCam team to this point. This ultra-wide-angle lens combines the quality of professional DSLR and the versatility of mobile photography. It's one small lens for your phone, but one giant leap for photography. After a number of successful campaigns, it's the Kickstarter community who have helped shape ShiftCam. Because of you, we are able to continue creating new and exciting enhancements to mobile phone photography. That is why we are here to offer our backer a lifetime warranty if you support us today. Join us and define the future of photography.